Hello everybody, today I want to make a quickly video about how to boost Facebook Marketplace post on Facebook. I want to say that you always have one option is like paid for ads, okay? It's like these two options here, can you watch? Okay, Kisma, okay, ad, and Tipsy Chat app is the same. You can pay for public in for ads, okay. Sorry, in Latin the people say publi, okay, but in English you say ads, okay, but it's the same, okay. You can pay, and when you pay, maybe the people write something like, I don't know, for example, Pokemon cards, okay. Here can you watch your post may call be the first, okay, because you pay for that, like that, okay. AliExpress paid, put money in the app, and that option is your first option, okay. Is the third option, but is the in the first page, okay. When I write Pokemon cards and I see first that option, okay. You paid and you can make this, okay. Only need find your profile here, open your profile and your listings or your posts, and then you can make your ads, okay, your boost listing, okay. This only need paid. It's so easy and cheaper because, okay, in Colombia this is $1.5, $2 maybe, no, $1.5 and $3 and $4, $5 and $6 and $8 maybe. It's so cheaper. This is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English and have a good day. See you later.